Hello there! It's been way too long since I've been talking to you from a vlog, but very happy to be back on the vlogging business now. I suppose before we get into this vlog, I just kind of wanted to mention why we've not been vlogging so much recently. Like, one of the reasons being that we're quite limited in where we can go, and sometimes it gets a bit repetitive just recording from the house, but that's not really the main reason. There have been some days that we've just felt very low motivation. Now, don't get me wrong, we've been making lots of music, we've been preparing lots of streams, and that's all been going really well. But we can't deny that there has just been days that our motivation has just been very low. You feel like you have all the time in the world right now to do things, but there's just something stopping you. I'm sure we're not alone in feeling this way, and it's really easy to feel quite guilty about it. But I think that's just part of the cycle of this whole thing that we're in right now. However, as Banner would say,
no slacking.
So we're feeling ready to do the vlog business again and get back on this thing. And we're actually excited to share with you some of the stuff that helps us through these times when we're feeling unmotivated or just like day-to-day business, you know, from meditation to Wim Hof.
Breathe in.
Wim Hof breathing techniques, and what we eat, and loads of other things. Vlog life is back, which brings us to the next section, which is the cooking section. We're going to go to Tesco and get some ingredients. Let's go. And welcome to the kitchen. So, if you haven't guessed already, we are making banana bread. This banana bread recipe is a very, very popular recipe among my friends, vegans and non-vegans alike. So we've got two angles right now, so hello from the other angle and hello from there. So let's get rolling with the recipe. 100 grams of coconut sugar, 90 grams of plain flour, 130 grams of wholemeal flour. You sieve that then. You need 3.5 teaspoons of baking soda, but I'm using bicarbonate, so I'm going to use a bit less because, you know, it's a bit stronger. This is also a lot, but you need 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. Then for a bit of fibre and some more nutrients in that, some linseed and some chia seeds. So I put about 30 grams of each. That's all the dry ingredients. Give them a bit of an old stir. 4 ripe bananas. I would usually get them more ripe than this, but you do what you can, they're fairly ripe. And then with a fork, mash away there. 70 grams of sunflower oil. Give it an old mix there. Boom, in here. Mix it all up. So then you just get your pan, oil it, pour it in. When you're putting it in the oven now, you cover it with tin foil for 40 minutes and then the last 20 minutes without tin foil. Yeah, so it takes an hour in total to cook. Let's cover it with the tin foil and put it in the oven. That's the banana bread recipe. If you try it out, let me know and prepare your mind to be blown by how tasty this is. We got some lovely parcel here today from Sabotage. That's what the hat on my head is. They sent us these stickers as well, which are actually top class stickers. All the designs on them are sick, and the packaging they came in, we're so impressed.
Yeah man, big up, it's very personal touch. It's really exciting to unbox. If we were the unbox therapy, the therapy will be successful. So we actually never talked about it in our previous vlogs or anywhere, but we practice this thing called Wim Hof Breathing Technique. It's basically resolved around breathing in like intensely 30 times in, just to oxygenate your body, and then hold your breath and don't exhale. You can check it out on YouTube how they do it. It's really powerful technique, and I think it's one of those things that really helped us to get through the COVID, like mentally as well as physically as well. It's really good if you want to take a break from production and you just do this breathing technique, and it proper refreshes your mind, which kind of makes sense. You just give more oxygen to your brain, and boom, voila, it's good. Good for your sleep, good before the sleep. It's good for everything really. Paired up with is actually cold showers. That's what Wim Hof is about, is using cold as your medicine. I've been doing cold showers for like 2 years now, yeah, it's really helpful. First of all, you don't shake. Living in Manchester, it's always raining and cold, and but it's really beneficial because like you don't really feel that cold anymore. So that's a good one. So if you find yourself that you're like bored or feeling depressed for no reason, try this technique, and I tell you, you're gonna feel at least different, and most likely you're gonna feel really good. Yeah. What is sip? Take two. Boom. What is common between this place,
This.
this,
This.
this,
This place.
and of course this? Let us know in the comment below, and the first person to answer right will get a little free package, care package.
It's definitely donut crew. Dedication to the donut. So, until now we were eating fairly unhealthy, but we've started eating salads again, really high quality food, and we feel our motivation has just gone through the roof. We're running, we're active, feeling good, no more slacking. Come on! At the start of this year, Audio Club sent us a parcel with some clothes in it, and lads, you've definitely seen us in these hoodies because we have been absolutely living in them recently. Just wanted to tell you a bit more about Audio Club because they're not your average clothing company. The quality of the clothes, of course, is a mad quality, but as well as that, it's vegan approved, and the packaging that it comes with is environmentally friendly, which is something that really resonates with us, as well as the fact that they're actually making more than just clothes. You know, they're making a little community within the drum and bass scene. They've got some really interesting plans for the future, and we've got some exciting things coming with them as well that we're going to talk about later on in the year. Thank you again, Audio Club, for keeping us warm.
Welcome. Let's talk about music. So since December till now, March now, we've released only like 2 free download tunes. We haven't done a proper release yet for a number of reasons. I think the main important reason is that we found an opportunity to take our time, not rush, and improve the quality of our production, as well as improve the quality of our DJing and mixes and everything. It's been really productive time for us, a little behind the scenes situation. We haven't even been posting on socials that much right now. However, it is March right now, and it's time to get on the social media, it's time to get on the vlogs. This vlog is back. Yeah! We've been experimenting with different genres of music and with different flavors of drum and bass. We've got something like this. And we've got something like this. And we've got something like this. And like this. Like this. Like this. We really enjoy different genres of music, different flavors of music, and you can really tell it by our own music and our own mixes. We play everything. We find it difficult to stick just to one thing. So the next releases this year, we've got planned out quite a few of them. To be precise, at the moment we have 3 remixes, 3 singles, and 1 EP that has like 6 tunes in it. And it's just planned out for now, and we're definitely hoping to get some more opportunities for the release this year as well. The people we work with together, Korsakov Music, big up to them. They've been really helpful with everything that we need. We're trying to get a really consistent schedule of releases going as well. Everyone at Korsakov, legends. And of course everyone who supports our music as well. We keep getting consistent messages about our music, and it really means a lot to us. Probably more than you know, because obviously through COVID there's ups and downs and motivation and willing to do something. But we've kept ourselves fairly consistent, and majorly because of your people's support. Really means a lot to us. So everyone who supports our music, big up. We're really excited what's gonna happen this year. So yeah man, I think that's all I can say for now. On to the next episode. August 2 years ago, was the first time when we stood on the scooters, electric scooters. Ever since we've been in love with them, but we never had a chance to get our feet on it. But today is the day when Manchester got heroes in the town. The company is called EBs, and they are sorting us out for the scooters. We're gonna be riding scooters in town, and that's a dream come true. It's a small step for humanity, but it's a big leap for Manchester. We have a scooter company that can rent your scooters
for £12 a day.
That's actually a big bargain. You're gonna feel like you burning calories whilst you're just standing on a scooter. So we're gonna go and get them scooters then.